Good morning, children. Welcome you all in EVS session. How was your examination? Hope your examination was fine. So, today we are going to start new chapter. Before that, I am going to ask you some questions. Understand, children? Uh, if you feel very cool, so what you are wearing? Yes, sweater. Very good. If you feel very hot, so what you are wearing? Yes, cotton clothes. In rainy season, what you are using? Raincoat. So these are the types of clothes. So today we are going to start chapter number 8. Clothes we wear. Clothes we wear. Learn this spelling. Speak 5 times with me. Speak 5 times with me. CLOTHES. 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 Children, you have to learn all the new words. So this learning will help you for the writing and reading also. Understand, children? So this is your chapter number 8. Which one? Clothes we wear. So children, look at here. This is a one picture. What this is? This is one picture. Look at here. This question. Look at the picture carefully with the color pencil. Put a tick on the clothes you will buy. Means which clothes you are going to wear. This is your thinking. You have to write. For example, you are entering in pantaloons. Just now it has opened in the nursery na. So what you are going to buy? You are going to buy this dress, scarf, jeans, shirt, hat, t-shirt, skirt or a shorts. For example, you want to buy a skirt, so you have to just put a tick mark. Understand? So this you have to complete by own. Now children, look at here. Why do we need clothes? Why do we need clothes? Means why we are wearing clothes. So we wear clothes to cover our body. We have to cover our body. Means we need clothes for cover our body. We wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold and rain. We wear clothes to look smart. So why we wear clothes our body? We have to cover our body. Then we have to protect our body from heat, cold and rain. We want to look smart also. So that's why we are wearing clothes. Children, early human. Who? Early human. They are also cover their body with dry leaves and animals skin. Understand? So we wear clothes to protect our body from cold, rain and heat. We have to cover our body. That's why we are wearing clothes. If we are wearing neat and proper ironed clothes, so we look smart. In the school also, you have to wear neat and clean and well ironed uniform. Understand, children? Now we wear different types of clothes. We must choose clothes according to what kind of day it is. A day can be hot, cold or rainy. In our India, there are 5 seasons are there, but main 3 season. Winter season, summer season, and rainy season. Understand? So, we wear cotton clothes in summer season. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. And we wear raincoat and gumboots in rainy season. So, when it is hot, we wear light cotton clothes when it is hot. Take the clothes you wear when it is hot. So, a woolen coat, a skirt, or a t-shirt, what you are wearing while you feel very hot. So, t-shirt and skirt. We are not wearing this woolen cloth. On hot summer days, we wear light cotton clothes as they keep our body cool and absorb sweat. Our body throws some waste from uh, uh, this from sweat, from urine, and from anus. Understand, children? So, in summer season, if you are wearing these cotton clothes, so these cotton clothes absorb your sweat, so you feel cool. Beat the heat by wearing clothes that are light and loose fitting. So we have to wear this type of clothes in summer season. Women wear sari, salwar kameez, skirt or a jeans and tops. Men wear dhoti, pants and skirt or a shorts and t-shirt. We wear swimming shoes when we go for swimming. According to the season, according to the occasion, we have to wear different types of clothes. Understand, children? If you are going for the swimming, so you have to wear swimming costume only. If you are going for the holiday, so you have to wear that type of clothes. That time you are not wearing Punjabi gown. You are going to wear shorts, jeans, t-shirt, use hat, goggles, and sunglasses. So if you are going for the marriage ceremony, you are not going to wear shorts or a jeans. You are wearing traditional clothes like a dress, kurti, salwar, है ना? And so according to the situation and according to the function, you have to wear different types of clothes. Clothes for a hot day means these are the example of a cotton clothes. T-shirt, jeans, skirt, vest, top, frock, hat and swimming costume. Now we are talking about winter season when it is cold. We wear woolen clothes on cold winter days. They keep us warm and cozy. Wear a cap and muffler to cover your head and neck. Understand?